The final look says it all. Watch until the end. Trying on Korean skincare for my morning routine. Dear Dear Milk Skin Toner is for my first step. It is for moisturizing and soothing properties. You can use a cotton pad or you can use your hand to apply the toner. Don't forget to apply it on your neck. This is my first time using the Rejuran Turnover Ample CPDRN 0.5%. The rejuvenated skin will be realized with premium anti-aging solution, Rejuran Turnover Ample with CPDRN. Alam niyo ba ang PDRN pala ay galing sa salmon and it started ng Rejuran brand way back 2014. So, sabi nila, sila ang nag-start ng PDRN that used in medical procedure for the mga aesthetic doctors dito sa Korea. Kaya no doubt na napakaganda ng kanyang properties at ang kanyang mga ingredients. First time ko palang gamitin pero nabenta na ako. Ako mismo ay namangha. It's amazing product. You can see the after look. Kaya naiintindihan ko na yung hype nito. Hindi lang siya hype. It's a real deal product. Look at this after I apply the PDRN Rejuvan. Next product natin, let's move on into my all-time favorite and holy grail Anua PDRN Hyaluronic Acid Capsule 100 Serum. I've been using it for the past 2 years now. I just order it in stores sa Canada. And yeah, Yuki and I are users with Anua since then. So when I apply this PDRN serum 100%, I massage my face para mas ma-absorb ng aking skin yung product. Kahit nakikita nyo yung imperfection ng skin ko, I'm very, very happy with it. I can see the glow. I can see when I wake up, the product na ginagamit ko is, it works talaga siya sa skin type ko. Next, this is the first time using the Estura Ato Barrier 365. It's a cream mist. It has ceramide 10,000 ppm. It's a moisturizing and straightening skin moisture barrier for dry and weakened skin. This is 120 ml. It's a big one. I think it will last me at least 6 months using it, to be honest. So, tipid na siya. Magkano lang to? I'm also very happy that I tried it. Now, I know, I understand why is it very popular here in Korea and also around the world. Iba ang produktong Korean, sis. Talagang impressive. Look at this skin moisturize and napaka-creamy ng skin ko. Napaka-plummy and dewy. Diba? Feeling ko din glass skin na ako kasi I've tried their products and I'm very, very happy with it. I'm satisfied for my first time trying their products of Rejuran and Estura to my morning routine. Minamassage ko lang at inahawakan ko yung face ko just to make sure na absorb lahat ng ingredients na nagamit ko for this morning routine. Lastly, of course, I won't forget my Alpha Arbutin 3 Plus Collagen Sunblock. This is my holy grail. Without it, I'm going to be sad kasi it has SPF 50. It's protecting my face. It's a subtle smell and bestseller in Thailand. This one is a Bangkok, Thailand product and I'm going there into not 2 days, at least 3 days pa pala. So there you have it. Look at the final look, mga sis and bro. Order now Message our page. Bye for now.